Hi everyone. In our previous videos, we have covered the examples from exercise 1.1. In this video, we will work through the exercise question. Please feel free to pause the videos and solve the problems on your own first. When you are ready, you can resume the video to check if your solutions and methods are correct. So let's dive into the first question. So this is the first question of your first exercise. So let's solve it. The question is that which of the following are said? Justify your answers. So if you have watched my previous videos, we have already covered this. For a collection, the collection would be a set if there is two things. It is well defined and this should also be distinct. Then the collection would be a set. So let's see the first example. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, so let's try to write this as set, the first set. So January starts with J. February does not start with the J, so it will not belong to the set. March, again, there is no confusion. March does not belong to the set. April, it does not belong to the set. May, it does not belong to the set. June, it belongs to the set. Why? Because it starts with the letter J. July, again, there is no confusion. It does belong to the set. Okay, so this is January, then June, and then July. August does not belong to the set. September does not belong to the set. October does not belong to the set. November does not belong to the set. December does not belong to the set. So it was a collection. The collection is distinct and there is no confusion whether any member or any element belongs to the set or does not belong to the set. So it means it is also well defined. Hence, this is a set. Okay. So let's see the second example. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Okay. Now, the characteristic is what? 10 most talented writers of India. So, what do you think? Can you tell me 10 most talented writers of India? I don't think so, right? Because it is not a well-defined property. 10 most talented writer is not a well-defined property. So since this is not well-defined, it is not a set. Now, third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Okay, again, there could be a war in India. Who is 11 best? 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So we don't, like for some people it could be someone else, and for some people it could be someone else. So again, it is not well defined because for us, suppose you would say that Virat Kohli is the best batsman, Rohit Sharma is the best batsman, but for some Australian, it could be of their country's batsman. So it is not a well defined set. So again, this is not a set. Not a set. Now let's see the next part. We'll do it very quickly because we have already explained in the detail what is a set, what does well defined mean, what does distinct mean, how to identify if a characteristic or a property is well defined or not. We have already discussed this in our previous sets videos. So please go and watch that, and it will be very clear. Okay, so let's see the next question. The collection of all boys in your class. Now, this is a well-defined property because you can easily identify which is like who is girl and who is boy in your class. So this is a well-defined characteristic, and you can distinct them. Suppose suppose you have 10 boys in your classroom, right? It could be anything, 10, 25, mn. So B1, you can write B1, B2, B3. You can write their name, and you can simply write their name and form the set. So yes, this is a set. Now, you can write the name over here. And if there is no boys in your class, then what will happen? You don't have anyone to write over here. Then what will happen is what we'll cover in our next topic. Okay. So, fifth part, the collection of all natural number less than. So, what is the set of natural number? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is your set of natural numbers. So, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So, 1, 2, 3, 98, 99. Now, is 100 less than 100? Is 100 less than 100? No, it is equal to 100. So, we'll stop here. Okay. The collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So, is it a well-defined? Can you identify if a novel is written by Munshi Premchand or not? Of course you can. And you can collect those novels. So, yes, this is a set. Okay. Seventh part, the collection of all even integers. So what is integer? The set integer is what? 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, and so on. And what does even numbers mean? It means that it should divide the two should divide it, right? So it would be 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, and so on. And there should be no confusion. Even if the number is minus 4, 2 still divides it, right? You will get minus 2. So, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, they are also even integers. Okay? Okay, let's see the next. Okay, so the next part, the collection of questions in this chapter. So I don't think that there is any confusion if any question belongs to this set or not. If there is a question given, you can easily identify if this belongs to this chapter or not. So again, it is a set and they are all distinct. So yes, it is a set. Now let's see the last part of the first question. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Again, these type of terms, most dangerous, tall, beautiful, intelligent, these are very subjective terms. So for some people, even a lizard can be a dangerous animal. It is very subjective to individuals. So it is not a well-defined property, and hence this is not a set. You may be wondering why sometimes I am writing the solution and sometimes I am just writing if it is a set or not. Because in your questions, they simply ask if the following collections are sets or not. But I just wrote for some of them, I just wrote the whole set. Okay, so let's see the next question. The second question is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank space. Okay. So this symbol is belongs to. We have already discussed these things. And this symbol is does not belongs to. Now, does 5 belongs to this set? So yes. So we'll write it like this. Does 8 belongs to this set? You cannot see 8 here. It does not belongs to this set. Does 0 belongs to this set? We cannot see 0 here. So it does not belongs to the set. Does 4 belongs to this set? Yes, we can see that 4 is over here. So 4 belongs to this set. Does 2 belongs to this set? Again 2 is here. So 2 belongs to this set. Does 10 belongs to the set? Now we cannot see 10 here. So it does not belong to the set. There is no confusion if something is belonging or not because it is a set. Okay, let's see the next question. Write the following sets in roster form. In your exam, it could be roster form or tabular form. Okay, so let's quickly write this. A is equal to x such that x is an integer and it is in between -3 and 7. So integer means 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Okay, so first let's write this set A. A is equal to, it's an integer and it is greater than 3. So minus 3 is not in the set. So minus 4, minus 5, minus, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So minus 3, after that we will get minus 2 in the integer. Okay, you can also write it like this. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So we need to write the number greater than minus. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7, 4, 5, 6 and we will not write 7. Okay. Next. B is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Less than means this sign. Okay. So let's write B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6 is not less than 6. Students sometimes do mistake in this part. So that's why I'm repeating this thing. 6 does not less than 6, so will not include 6. Let's see the third option. C. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay, so it is 2-digit means it is greater than 10. And the sum of digits should be 8. So here the sum of digit is 1. Okay, no problem. So the first one would be 17 because 1 plus 7 is 17. Then 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then 35, then 44, then 53, then 62, and then 71. And then 80, right? And after that, there is, because there would be 9, so the sum of digit would always be greater than 9. And it should be a two-digit number. So it should belong between 10 to 99. Okay. So 8 is 0, 8 does not belong to this.